So in order to do an oil change on a 2016 Honda Accord, you are going to want oil filter, a funnel, oil. These are optional, these lights and everything. You do it during the daytime. Something to capture the oil, and a jack. I have two, so there's these two. So after your car has cooled down, you will grab the jack and take the speaker off. And you want to place it on these grooves that actually hold up the car. You don't want to place it anywhere where you could puncture it through when it lifts up. So once you get it through there, line it up. If you have a jack like this, line it up so it's not off-centered. Tighten this shit real quick. Alright, now we should be able to lift it up. And as you can see, it is right on it. Perfect. So now that we're jacking it up, see the car is rising. You want to get it to a point where we're able to get under there without any problems. So let's take it longer to rise. Add some muscle into it. Alright, see the car's starting to lift. Alright, yeah. Should be enough space on this side. You can see it's still on those grooves. Double check that your car is not too hot, because you don't want to get all that hot oil on you. So we will be using this. One thing I would recommend getting is jack stands. We aren't using any because we don't have any, so I use the floor jack and a regular jack on both sides. So hopefully it doesn't follow me when I'm under there. And then after from there, you want to have your sockets ready to your side. If you don't know your size, this will be my first time working on this specific Honda. So we don't know the size, and the owner doesn't have a manual, so we'll have to work from there. Bring your oil pan under with you as well, because you are going to want to place it under there when you are ready to take that oil cap off. Let's go under and look. So now that you're under here, it is a tight fit because this little fender shit in the bottom is very loose. As you can see right here as well, it's loose, so we'll fix that another day. But now that you're under here, you see, this is your drain bolt. You'll need to take this off first and have your at least something to pick up all the oil, because you don't want to spill on your floor, garage, driveway, whatever. You'll stain it all. After that, check what socket it is, which I have found. Mine is 11/16. From there, pretty much just loosen it. Oh, that shit is on there. So after you get the bolt loose, you will slowly start turning it. Alright, still gotta put a little bit more in. There we go. Alright, a little bit more. There we go. So the oil start coming out from there. Sabe? Ooh, shit. And there you go. We barely had any oil in the car, so that's exactly why we're doing an oil change. As you see, no oil left. After you let go of the oil, it should be coming down like this. Put it into your bucket, collect all your oil, and after, we'll go here, take this off as soon as let this drain for a little bit. So now you're gonna want to let this drain out as much as you can, because you are gonna have to move the pan over here, because there's oil as well in here. Also, one thing you are gonna want to do to help drain the oil, you're gonna want to take this top lid off. Put it right here. Unscrew it. Leave it up here. It'll help the flow of the oil come back down a lot faster. And then from there, just wait it out a little bit. Let it drain as much as you can. And go back and get the oil filter. And back. So once your oil gets pretty much like that, how it is right now, it's just light drips. Let's see if we can get a better view. Like that, small little drips. You start moving your oil pan more down toward where your oil filter will be, which mine is right here in a little weird angle. Sometimes you have it straight out. A lot better, a lot easier to handle, easier to turn. So for this one, we actually can't let go of it with hand, loosen it. So we are gonna get a tool for that, and I will show you what kind of tool we use right now. So the tool we're gonna use is something like this. You can use these to take off oil filters that are on there like a bitch. And let's see if I can angle this so I can show you guys how to do it. Ah, oh, shit. No, sí cabe. Nomás se pone un poquito abajo. ¿No puedes hacer más chiquito?
No.
¿No?
Solo se hace.
Shit.
Así jálalo.
No cabes. Hay grande.
No, para que floje.
No, porque no cabes. So now that we got this, what I've been doing is using the screwdriver right here. Yes, it's gonna be a dirty job, so if I were you, I'd rather have gloves. Use this, it'll turn. Right now, I'm gonna have to re-put a new spot, but start turning a little bit. A way to explain to you guys how I did it would be like this. Put it here, put the screwdriver in, I started turning, left, left, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. That's one way to get it off. If you have a clamp, if you can't fit a clamp, or if it's not hand tying, so you're not able to tighten. And from here, when you put a new one in, you want to put oil in here, put oil on the seal, and put oil inside. So when you start up your car, you have oil in, and it's not, and it goes straight everywhere it needs to go. Now we have to go under. Tight little squeeze, and you want to start putting it into where it goes. And we'll start screwing in, and we want to hand tighten it.
Nomás a afectar lo que da la mano.
Yeah, ya sabe. Just want to hand tighten it. Keep going. So when we come back, we don't have to do that same method. We could just loosen it with our hands. There we go, that's tightened.
Pon it conmigo.
Now you grab your drain plug. Try to find it right here. Wipe it off a little bit on the towel, whatever you got. And we'll go back over here. Just start tightening it in. This one shouldn't be too hard, to be honest. Just tighten it, just goes in. It's a small screw. The way this is angled is gonna be a little weird. There we go. Found the angle. Go in, tie in. And also, when you tie in this, you don't want to tie in it so tight that you have to use so much force, because you also don't want to break those threads. Fuck them up. We got that. It's hand tightened, but we don't want that hand tight. We actually want to use a wrench. Pásame the wrench.
Nice.
Oh, it's aquí. Oh, make sure it's going the right way. Turn it. So when we tighten it, we get it go easy. There we go. You feel it start tightening. Shit. It's a little slippery right now. We got some oil on it. We are going to want to wipe that down so we don't have any smoke and you don't worry. Wondering why my car is smoking. There we go. Tighten. Now you should be good. You just pour oil in there. Check your manual, or you can check online, see how much quarts of oil your car takes. Mine takes 4.4. So we'll go back up there and we'll be back. Alright, so now you want to fill up your oil. I bought 5 quarts, so I should have a little bit left when I'm done. So once you have a little less, you want to check your oil level, see where it's at. Get it in there a little bit, take it out. You can see we still need to add more oil. Just a little bit more. Sí, para yo me cargo ahorita. Check one more time, see where the level's at.
Déjalo que baje el aceite.
Just out of the way. See, it's almost there. So add a little bit more actually. And check for the final time. I just got like no more oil, so I might as well just put the whole thing in there.
¿Eso es todo?
Sí.
Ya déjalo que baje el aceite.
Perfect. As you can see, it's right there. Now we got enough oil. Don't have to worry about refilling it anytime soon. Put this back. Take the funnel out. Be sure to put this cap back on.
¿Me quedó bien?
There you go. That should be everything you need to do when you do